Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix audio delay and Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, we need to open our Edits app, and after that, I'm just going to create a new project. After this, you will be needing to add uh, some media that would have an audio with it, or you can just add another audio. So from here, you will be able to see if your video has some delay. And now we can just work around to solve this problem because there is no direct way how you can do it or some feature that would do that automatically too. So we can simply go to our video and after that we can extract the audio from it, and this video doesn't have any audio, so I'm just going for this one. And from here we can simply extract the audio, and basically you can remove or move the placement of the audio and place it in a way that it solves this delay. And after that, you will be able to have a smooth video or a smooth synced video with its audio. And from there, you can just like scroll it on the timeline until you have like the audio that will be having or that will be synced with the video. Otherwise, you can, or in all other cases where you want to start adding other audio and you have some sync problem, you can simply also use some voiceover if it's only dialogue, and then you can talk over your video. You can also add some other audio if you have it already, and that's it. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.